In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn in Gumloop. We'll walk through each click so you can authorize your LinkedIn account and start using it safely inside Gumloop. First, open Gumloop in your browser and head to your main workspace. On the left-hand side panel, look for the section labeled Apps. This is where all of your integrations live and where you'll manage new connections. Click Apps to open the integrations page. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Connect New App. Click that to add a new integration. A search bar will appear. In the search field, start typing LinkedIn. When LinkedIn shows up in the results, click Connect next to it. You'll now be asked how you'd like to customize the scopes for LinkedIn. Scopes are simply the permissions you grant, and they determine what Gumloop can read or do on your behalf. If you want the fastest path, choose Give Default Permissions, which applies a recommended set of access levels, so common actions will work out of the box. If you prefer fine-grained control, choose Control Scopes to pick exactly what Gumloop can access. Only select what you need for your workflows. Fewer permissions can mean stronger security but may limit certain features. When you're comfortable with your choice, click Continue. At this point, LinkedIn will open in a new tab to complete the secure authorization. If you're already signed into LinkedIn in your browser, you may go straight to a confirmation screen. Otherwise, you'll see the LinkedIn sign-in form. Enter your LinkedIn email address, then your password. When both fields are filled, click Sign in to proceed. If you don't have a LinkedIn account yet, click Join Now to sign up. After creating your account, return to the Authorization tab and complete the sign-in so the connection can be established. Once you approve the permissions, you'll be redirected back to Gumloop. Give it a moment to finish, and you should see LinkedIn listed under your apps as connected. If the new tab didn't open, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for Gumloop, then try again. And if you later find a feature isn't available because of limited access, you can revisit the apps page, adjust the connection, and update the scopes you selected. That's it. Your LinkedIn account is now connected in Gumloop and ready to use in your automations. Thanks for following along and happy building.